Welcome to Car Culture Club, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, automotive insights, and everything you need to know about the world of wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Citroen C4, a stylish hatchback that continues to push boundaries with its unique design and comfortable ride. This year's model brings a blend of refined aesthetics, efficient performance, and modern tech that appeals to both city drivers and long-distance cruisers. The 2025 Citroen C4 maintains its signature crossover-inspired stance, combining coupe-like curves with SUV practicality. It sits higher than a typical hatchback, offering a more commanding view of the road without stepping into full SUV territory. The front design features updated LED headlights, a sharp grille, and sleek DRLs that give the car a futuristic presence. Around the back, the bold tail light design adds to the car's overall personality, and the sculpted body lines improve aerodynamics and visual appeal. Under the hood, the C4 offers a range of efficient powertrains. Buyers can choose from petrol, diesel, and fully electric versions, each tuned for comfort and economy. The electric variant, often branded as EC4, delivers a range of around 260 miles on a full charge thanks to its 54 kilowatt-hour battery. It also supports fast charging, allowing up to 80% charge in just over 30 minutes, making it a solid choice for urban and suburban use. Traditional petrol and diesel options come with refined engines ranging from 1.2L to 1.5L, paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission. Inside the cabin, the 2025 C4 emphasizes comfort and calm. Citroen's advanced comfort seats offer plush cushioning, while soft-touch materials throughout the cabin add a premium feel. There's generous legroom for both front and rear passengers, and the boot offers up to 380 liters of storage space, expandable with folding rear seats. Tech-wise, the dashboard is equipped with a 10-inch central touchscreen, offering smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a customizable digital driver display. Other features include wireless charging, a head-up display, and ambient lighting, creating a high-tech and cozy environment. On the road, the Citroen C4 is engineered for comfort rather than sportiness. The progressive hydraulic cushions in the suspension absorb bumps impressively, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride even on rough surfaces. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and driver attention alert, making the C4 a reliable choice for families and daily commuters alike. The 2025 Citroen C4 stands out for its design, comfort-focused engineering, and diverse engine options that cater to a broad range of drivers. Whether you prefer the zero-emission electric drive or the familiarity of petrol or diesel, the C4 offers an experience that blends French flair with everyday practicality.